Howdy, boys and girls, got another one. This is a little different than what I normally post. I'll work on a little bit of everything, as people that know me knows. But I got a fix for a weed eater that the head won't feed or it's wearing out. This Husqvarna, the feeder button here, it wore so thin that the holes are coming through. So I took a plastic welder, and this is the first one I did, and it worked really great so far. But I welded a bead, plastic bead around, and I just stuck a washer on there, and that was a last minute thing. Turned out as a good thing. I'll probably end up redoing this one a little bit later because I didn't do as good a job on this one, but I just got done doing a different one for almost the same but different reason. This is a steel, and this head was completely wore slap out. It barely would feed. So what the problem was, this button done got wore down so much that it went almost flush with this surface right here, and this surface is wore out too. It was just about to come completely off all the way around. That's why this ugly beads around here. But I did the same thing, but I put a bigger, thicker bead of plastic on here, and I kind of covered the washer just a little bit. I mean, you're going to lose the washer. It's going to wear, but you just put another one on there if that happens, or it's time to get another head. But this is a way to get a little bit more life out of your head of the weed eaters. And what you need, all this is, it looks like a soldering iron, but it's a plastic welding iron. And on this particular, there's different plastic strips, welding strips for it. But this one, the black ones look just like this. And I don't know what they're called. I did when I ordered them. But anyway, this is for the plastic weed eater. There's these for different plastics, but these, if they look like this is the right one for black plastic weed eaters. At least your name brand ones. But anyway, you just take this, and it's got a concaved and a flat, concaved and a flat surface here. You put your flat surface down, and you just wait till it melts. And if you want to, you just wait till it melts, and then you just pull on it until it comes off if you're trying to cut this off. But it's super simple. Anybody can do it. All this stuff is fairly cheap, probably $50, and you're in business of fixing your own weed eaters. I hope this helps somebody. Bye.